There is not only a need for welders, there is an extreme need for metal fabricators. People who can take a blueprint, a drawing, and turn it into a product. That is an asset. Coming 2025, my goal is to present an opportunity, a program that can teach you how to fabricate, how to read blueprints, how to lay out drawings. That way you can be able to get some of these fabrication jobs out there. There's a lot of companies that's looking for fabricators, not just welders. They don't want you just to come in and hit the trigger or grab a rod or just TIG something all the time. They want you to be able to assemble products, put things together, organize things, be able to think outside the box to make furniture, different parts, different assembly line type of conveyor type systems. Like, it's so much going on, but you have to learn how to be a fabricator. So you just can't do this just from welding, because if all of you think is welding, you're going to be limited, fam. You're only going to make so much money. You're going to have to travel for sure if you want to get some good money doing pipe welding, putting in root passes with TIG, putting in root passes with MIG, capping. That's going to be your money. If you just want to weld alone, pipe welding is where it's at. But if you want to be versatile, if you want to start making your own products later, as you getting ready to retire, or after you done put 10 years in, you can do that from fabrication, but you can't do that from just welding alone. So this Rising Fam, I wanted to talk to you about some of my goals for 2025, a fab welding program. And my goal is to start it off in Arkansas. Right now I'm in Springdale, Arkansas, and I'm networking with Carbon Designs. And hey, they're looking for some metal fabricators. If you're a metal fabricator in the area and you're looking for a great opportunity, me personally, I would recommend the company. They got a great system going on, and they just getting started, and they get better and better and better over time. So I would say, if you're looking for a winning team, fam, learn how to fabricate, because it's not only going to help you, it's going to be able to provide a greater future for your family, because you're going to start building financial freedom and some generational wealth with products over talent, products over talent, products over talent. Products, fam, they selling off the shelf. So if you want to get successful, you got to learn how to build products, and you can't do that if you're not a fabricator. So learn how to read the blueprint, learn how to fabricate, learn how to not only weld, how to grind off your welds, how to finish, how to buff, how to grind. All of those things is very, very important on being a successful fabricator. And that's something I want to introduce you coming into 2025. It's a great need. I'm in the area, and while I'm here, fam, I want to help you get your hog on. Black Phoenix.